You ask a question, and instantly, words begin to spool across the screen. It feels like pure magic. Our intuition naturally pushes us to treat the text box like a conscious entity. We type please, we say thank you, and we look to the screen for personal advice. Yet, beneath the conversational tone, the machine possesses no sentience. The system functions as a mathematical prediction engine, calculating values rather than considering ideas. Truly mastering this technology requires us to look past the interface and dismantle the idea of a ghost in the machine. Treating the software as a thinking human is a trap. It encourages a level of blind trust that ignores how the system actually processes information. Let's freeze time right at the exact millisecond that you hit the Enter key on your keyboard, and let's watch what actually happens. This is tokenization. The system does not read full words. Instead, it slices your text into smaller, abstract fragments called tokens. Each fragment is immediately translated into a unique numerical ID, turning language into computable format. Once this translation occurs, the system is processing raw, computable data, stripped of the emotion and context we usually associate with speech. This multi-layered web of parameters is the generation engine. The model analyzed internet text to set connection strengths, calculating peanut frequently connects to butter, but almost never to concrete. Your prompts tokens now filter through this web, searching for the highest probability path. The system is not pondering a response. It is executing a rigid, predetermined mathematical calculation based on patterns found in its training data. The calculation produces a ranked list. It selects the highest mathematical score. This token appears as a word, and then the entire process simply stops. Having generated just one single word, the system shuts down its calculation entirely. To generate word number 2, the system enters the auto-regressive loop. It attaches the newly created word to your original prompt. This expanded string pushes back into the neural network, running the massive calculation entirely from scratch, just to guess the next piece. The fluid paragraph on your screen is the result of hundreds of isolated, back-to-back mathematical guesses. This mechanical reality is the source of hallucinations, those moments where the AI provides a confident but completely fabricated answer. Hallucinations occur because the model cannot check its work against a database of facts. Its only instruction is to find the next most plausible word in a sequence. Within the model's logic, a statistically probable lie and a verified truth carry the same mathematical weight. They are indistinguishable. This realization shifts how you use the tool. You stop treating the interface like a sentient being and start operating it as a sophisticated pattern-matching engine. You improve your results by providing the system with clear, structured patterns to complete, rather than just asking open questions. True leverage over generative AI comes not from believing in its magic, but from actively exploiting its underlying mechanics.